Hello everyone.
Hello. Hi.
As you can see, we're not in the caravan at the moment, but we just thought we'd do a quick update because we've got some news regarding our channel and caravanning, so make sure you stick and watch the rest of the video.
I would just like to say a really big thank you to everyone that's been subscribing and watching and following all of our videos. And we just want to say a big thanks to them.
Yeah, it's been absolutely amazing. Who would have thought, when we very first started vlogging, that we'd have over 600 subscribers?
Yeah, we recently passed 500 subscribers.
Wow.
And then recently we passed 600 subscribers reasonably quickly, and we're just absolutely blown away.
It just seems to be happening faster and faster. So thank you so much for staying with us. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much. And if you've just come to us, then welcome aboard.
Yeah, we really enjoy doing it. We really like doing the vlogs about the caravan and the caravan stuff. It's quite fun. We really, like doing our little trips away and everything else. It's just a fun family thing to do, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't even want to do it when we first started, and I quite really enjoyed looking to making the next video and everything. So it's been fun doing it all. And now, so yes, the news.
But before we go to the news...
Oh, sorry, the news. Sorry, tease you with the news.
Before we go to news, while we're going through all the thanks, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody that has been donating to my London Marathon charity fundraiser. I've reached my target and it's been absolutely amazing. So thank you very, very much from the bottom of my heart, and for the Born Free Foundation, who I raised the money for. I completed the marathon, I did it, and your support was brilliant. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll put a little link to the little vlog we did about it and your Running Clueless channel, so if anybody wants to see some stuff about it. But yeah, thank everybody for dipping your hands in your pockets and helping out. It's really appreciated. So, the news.
The news.
Do you want to say your thing about subscribing? She's got a plan about subscribing. Go on, say it.
Okay, so we're only going to tell you the news if you subscribe in 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're welcome.
Well, I've just checked, and several people just subscribed just then, so we can obviously we can tell you the news. Yeah, so it's basically about the news about the future of our channel and us caravanning and stuff. I mean, we really, as I say, we really enjoy doing the vlogging. We really enjoy caravanning and stuff. But
it's been amazing over the last year with Dora, and just being in the caravan and being a family unit, enjoying ourselves. But
there's just been some little things about it that hasn't quite sort of been perfect. I think you never get perfect, but I don't think it's just been quite right about it all.
Yeah. So we've decided to sell the caravan, haven't we?
Yeah, we decided to sell the caravan. But ta-da! As you'll know if you're a regular viewer, we have been looking at other caravans. And what we're doing, what we're getting?
We're getting a Bailey Discovery D44.
Yep.
Yes.
So yeah, we've
brand new one.
A brand new one. One of the brand new
made.
20. It hasn't even been made yet, but it's one of the brand new Bailey Discovery D44s, the 2023 models. It's the one with the blue bits in. So if you've seen our other bit, we complained about how blue it was.
We've got some ideas for that though.
Which is an upcoming vlog. So yes, we are. Unfortunately, we're getting rid of our little Explorer 304. We're trading it in with the dealers to get our new caravan. We do absolutely love our Explorer 304, and we've had some great times in it. It's given us some great memories.
And if you want it, it's at Wonder Home in South Cave.
Yeah, it's a perfect caravan, and when we bought it, we it hit all of our criteria, but just after using it for a year, there's just little things that we want to change. As you know, there's things about the fixed bed. We're lazy. We like to get into a fixed bed. We don't like making beds up.
And the good thing is I get like this whole giant bed to myself.
Yeah, she gets a whole giant bed, some privacy.
I think with us to have it, getting a little bit older now, and just having that a little bit extra space for her as well is fantastic, don't you think?
Yeah.
So we will continue to caravan, and we'll continue to vlog about it. We'll just be doing it in a bigger caravan and a bit more Bailey-ish instead of a bit more Explorer. I'd say it's a wonderful caravan, and we feel really sad about getting rid of it, because little Dora is a perfect little caravan, and we've had, as I say, we've had some fantastic memories in it. And we hope, I mean, there might be a lot of people who watch us because we in Dora, but we still have a big passion and a big interest in the Explore, we'll still be hunting them out and filming them and stuff like that, don't we? Because we still really like the Explore. We still even want to. We went to a recent Explore 304 Explore meetup,
yeah,
and we met some lovely people there. And we still want to try and sneak in there and go.
Hopefully stay in touch with them.
Yeah, we want to go. We want to go next year. We want to go to it next year. We won't be an Explore. We'll segregate ourselves into another corner of the field. But you know, there were a lovely bunch of people, and we've really enjoyed having the Explore. And the communications we had, we've spoke to various people at Eldis as well while we've been doing our journey, and we've met some nice people there as well, haven't we?
Yeah, it's been lovely. And it's just a starting point for our journey. So our journey continues. Please stay along with us. We've got loads more really fun stuff to come.
Yeah, so there's some videos coming up soon about us. Well, we don't know when we get in the Explore 3 or 4, but obviously we'll be videoing us getting it. And
when we get in the Bailey.
Well, yeah, sorry, the Bailey Discovery. What did I say? The Explore. Oh no,
Explore.
getting confused. We're not doing that another Explore. So yeah, I hope everybody will stick with us. And yeah, there's lots of exciting new adventures to come.
Yes.
And we'll probably put some footage and photos of the Bailey. I think you said Explorer again. Maybe are we going back to an Explorer after the Bailey? I hope not.
We did look at the 554, didn't we?
Yeah, we really like that one, and a lot of people saw that video, and they're commenting on how much they like that one as well. I think with the Explorer, they're getting the 504 would be another good choice. We were just a bit wary of how much it weighed. It weighed just a little bit too much for our car.
Yeah, it would have been just about towable, but
Just about turbo, and also sometimes when you get something new, you want it to be new all over, if you know what I mean. And the Explorer 504, it matched virtually. It was like having the 304, but just bigger. And although we like the 304 loads, sometimes you just want to get something that's fresh and different. Does that make sense? It does for me anyway.
It does.
But yeah, so that's our announcement. Bailey Discovery D44 coming soon in the next few weeks. In theory, in case there might be delays. Hopefully, please no delays. But we are going away in the Explore this weekend.
This weekend, so we'll vlog that one.
We'll vlog that one, and that might be our last time away, innit? Maybe not. We'll see. We shall see. But thank you anyway.
Make sure to like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.